Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ayush. In this video, we will learn a C program to print leap years from 1 to n, which is the range from year 1 to year which you want to print. In the same way, we will declare the function, that is the return type, function name and parameter type. In the main block we will need n, that is the range of the years which we will input from user by using printf and scanf function. The value will be stored in n. Then this is a message for better output, that is leap years from 1 to n r. Then whatever the value of those leap years will be printed after this statement, which will be a good visual. Now we will pass the value of n to the function, that is function leap year. So after that the control flow of the program will be transferred to the function leap year. In the function leap year, we'll see, let's see, here we will need a variable year that will be the year that will store the values of year from 1 to the n. So using a for loop, for year is equals to 1 to till year is less than or equal to n, which will iterate the value of year from 1 to n, and it will be incremented one by one. For that we have used this statement, that is year plus plus, that is increment the year by 1. Then what is leap year? Leap year is the number of year which is divisible by 4. Means if we divide that value of year by 4, we should get the remainder as 0. So we will check if the year modulus by 4 is equals to 0, print the number of year. So I have used slash t here. Slash t is used for tab. This is for good visual, that all the years will be separated from each other using a tab. After that all the years will be printed and it will move towards the further program. I have used this printf function to print slash n, that is new line, for good output. Let's compile this program. This was much easier because the logic of leap year is mod by 4 is equals to 0, that is the year should be divisible by 4. So after compilation, let's run. I have given the range 200. See, the leap years from 1 to 200 are 4, 8, 12, means these numbers are divisible by 4. In this way you can provide any limit, that would be 2000 etc. You'll get all the years here from 1 to 2000. So I hope you understood. You can ask any doubts in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.